Alright guys, I'm making a quick video on how to install a Ranger bass boat seat. This is a bench. It's got 3 hooks back here on the back side. Installation is reverse 180 of this here. There's going to be right down here in the corners. I got 1 screw there and 1 screw on this side. And then you got those 3 hangers. Once you pull out that screw and the screw in that corner, you just lift up. It's works a lot better with 2 people. So I'm gonna have to get my son to help me real quick. And I'll show you how it goes back in real quick. Lift up on that side. See the holes in the back? Lift up on this. That's fine.
You just push it forward. Just push it.
Now down. Alright, after you've got the seat installed now and on the hangers in the back, you're just going to want to come in there and put those screws in. Like I said, there's 1 in each corner. You notice that has a black cap on it. When you go to remove them, chances are you may have that black cap covering your screw head, and they just pop right off. There's a couple different styles of bass boat seats that Ranger has, and some of them are Velcro, but this is for you guys out there with the hanger style bench seats. But it's pretty simple. 2 screws in each corner and 3 hangers in the back. Hope this helps you guys. Thanks.